Vivo V50 review. Hello, friends. Today, we're going to review the Vivo V50, a phone I've been using for a long time, and it's genuinely surprised me. We'll dive into every detail, from its design and display quality to performance and camera capabilities. I'll even share some small but critical tips for those considering buying this phone. Quick reminder before we start, this video took me hours to make, but liking it and subscribing to the channel will only take you 2 seconds. Your support makes me happy and helps me create more content, thank you. Now, let's take a closer look at the Vivo V50. Enjoy the video screen. The Vivo V50 features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and gaming incredibly smooth. The color saturation and contrast are truly impressive, especially when watching HDR content, where the difference is immediately noticeable. Outdoor visibility is excellent thanks to its high brightness levels, and features like DC dimming, anti-flicker, and a blue light filter make nighttime usage much more comfortable for your eyes. Performance. The Vivo V50 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, delivering blazing fast and buttery smooth performance for everyday use. With 12 GB of RAM, I experienced zero lag even during heavy multitasking. Gaming performance is equally impressive. You can easily run demanding titles like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile at high settings without breaking a sweat. Thermal management is solid too, thanks to its vapor chamber cooling system. The phone stays cool even during extended gaming sessions, with no noticeable overheating. Camera. The Vivo V50's camera performance genuinely blew me away. With its triple lens setup, a 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and 8MP tele-macro lens, it handles any shooting scenario with ease. Daylight shots deliver razor-sharp details and vibrant yet natural colors. But where it truly shines is low-light photography. Thanks to the Sony IMX890 sensor, night mode works like magic, producing clean, bright, and noise-free shots even in dark environments. Portrait mode is next level, with AI-powered depth control that creates professional-grade bokeh. For video, 4K 60fps recording and ice stabilization ensure buttery smooth, shake-free footage. Selfie lovers will adore the 32MP front camera. Its AI-enhanced natural beauty mode delivers flattering yet realistic results, no overdone filters, just authentically gorgeous selfies. Battery and charging. The Vivo V50 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery that easily delivers 1.5 days of real-world use. In my testing, I consistently got 7 to 8 hours of screen-on time, plenty for power users. Where it really impresses is charging speed. With its 80 watts fast charger, you can go from 0% to 100% in just 35 minutes. While it lacks wireless charging, the lightning-fast wired charging more than makes up for it. You'll barely miss the feature. Software. The Vivo V50 runs FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14, delivering a snappy and user-friendly interface. What's impressive? There's almost no bloatware, just clean, essential apps out of the box. Vivo promises 3 years of major Android updates and 4 years of security patches, meaning your phone will stay fresh and secure for years to come. Hidden features and small details. The Vivo V50 packs some impressive yet often overlooked features that make a real difference in daily use. Audio quality. The dual stereo speakers provide rich and full sound, though the bass might feel slightly underwhelming compared to some competitors. NFC convenience. With full NFC support, you can easily use Google Pay and contactless payments, an essential feature in today's world. Performance enhancement. The virtual RAM expansion feature allows you to add up to 8 GB to the existing 12 GB RAM, giving you a significant boost for demanding apps and games. Connectivity, featuring Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6, the phone delivers fast, stable connections for seamless file transfers and smooth browsing. Box contents and accessories. The Vivo V50's unboxing experience brings some nice surprises. First of all, I must say, in an era when many brands no longer include chargers in the box, Vivo provides an 80 watts fast charger right in the package, which is truly an appreciable move. Among the gifts you'll find a stylish silicone case to protect your phone from day one. While the lack of a headphone jack has become standard in today's smartphones, Vivo compensates for this with a USB-C headphone adapter. In short, when you open the box, you'll find most of the essential accessories you need ready for use. Long-term use and durability. The Vivo V50 makes a strong claim when it comes to long-term usage. The phone offers significant scratch resistance thanks to its Gorilla Glass 6 protection, though I strongly recommend using a screen protector for complete protection. Thanks to Vivo's software optimizations, they guarantee that the phone won't experience performance drops even after 2 to 3 years of use, a major reassurance for long-term users. This makes the Vivo V50 not just a smart purchase for today, but also a wise investment for the future. Competitive pricing and alternatives. The Vivo V50 stands out as a highly competitive option in its price-performance ratio. Priced at $599 in the US market, it directly competes with models like the Xiaomi 13 Lite and Samsung Galaxy A54. However, its premium camera performance and 80 watts fast charging technology clearly give it an edge in this segment. For buyers in Turkey, Vivo's 2-year official warranty and expanding service network provide extra peace of mind. When you consider all these features, the Vivo V50 emerges as a far more attractive choice compared to its competitors. Final verdict. The Vivo V50 delivers a satisfying experience across multiple fronts, from its sleek design to powerful performance. Its 120Hz AMOLED display and Sony IMX890 camera sensor create a truly impressive visual experience. With 80 watts fast charging, battery anxiety becomes a thing of the past, while dual SIM support adds convenience for professionals. On the security front, it offers both an under-display fingerprint scanner and facial recognition. The haptic feedback is notably more refined than competitors, you can even feel the difference when typing. The main compromises are the lack of wireless charging and IP54 rating, instead of IP68. However, at $599, it packs more premium features than rivals like the Xiaomi 13 Lite or Samsung Galaxy A54. What do you think? Does this balance work for you? Would you consider the Vivo V50, or are you leaning toward another model? Let's discuss in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more unbiased reviews and hit the like button. Your support helps me test and share more devices. Thanks in advance, and until next time.